QPLXS is an extension product of the QPL family used to increase the quantity of fuses and relays that can be managed inside the vehicle. The new QPLXS has been entirely developed with press-fit technology, available in two versions. Fuses only, 26 units. Fuses and mini relays, 12 fuses and 3 mini relays. In both versions, there is an inspection cover for monitoring and replacement of fuses and relays. The sealing degree is IP42 with the connectors properly plugged. Power supply can be at 12 volt or 24 volt. The QPLXS is the evolution of the current COBO fuses and relays boxes wired together. The main advantages of the new model: quick and easy installation, space saving and reduction of wiring harnesses length, easy connection.